Hey, what's up guys? Stop scrolling for just 30 seconds because I'm about to show you the real secret to making viral tutorial videos. If you think it's all about having the best camera or the longest, most detailed video, you're wrong. The truth? Viral tutorials are not about teaching everything. They're about teaching one thing the fastest and most engaging way possible. In the next few minutes, I'll break down the formula that can turn your simple tutorial into a viral hit. Ready? Let's go! How to make viral tutorial video step-by-step guide. Step 1. Start with the hook. The first 5 to 10 seconds of your tutorial decide everything. People scroll fast, so your hook needs to grab attention immediately. Example, if your tutorial is how to bake a chocolate cake, don't start by saying, "Hi, I'm Sarah." Instead say, "Want to bake a chocolate cake in 10 minutes with zero experience." Watch this. That's how you stop the scroll. Step 2. Cut the fluff. Viral tutorials are short, clear, and deliver quick results. Skip the boring intros and jump straight to the solution. People want the how, not your life story. If you can teach it in 60 seconds, do it in 45. Step 3. Visuals plus sound matter. Attention spans are short, so use visuals, close-up shots, and captions. Also, add background music that matches your video's vibe. Subtle beats keep viewers engaged without distracting from the tutorial. Step 4. End with a CTA that keeps them hooked. Don't just say subscribe. Tell them what's next. Example, if this helped, wait until you see my tutorial on 3 hacks that make this even easier. Click here. That way, they binge your content. Bonus tip. Optimize for search. Viral videos need visibility. Use keywords in your title, description, and tags. Think like the viewer. What would they type? For example, instead of cool editing tricks, try how to edit videos on your phone free and easy. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe to Tutorial Masterclass for more viral content strategies. And comment below, what tutorial do you want to make go viral? I might feature your idea in my next video. Go watch more video on Tutorial Masterclass YouTube channel so your video go viral. Big shout out to all my amazing subscribers and viewers. Remember this, don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're part of the journey and a sign that you're growing. Every mistake is a lesson that makes you better. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, stay inspired and keep creating. Have an awesome day, everyone.
Wake up, feeling fine. Sun is up, see it shine.